Let me show you how to use Airbnb Help Center to resolve your disputes. So if you come across some dispute with the host, let me show you how you can exactly use the Help Center. First of all, what you'll need to ensure is that you contact or head over to the resolution center via the Help Center inside of the Airbnb within 60 days of your checkout in order to request your money that you want to get a refund of. So once you're inside of the profile section, scroll down and then head over to get help. Once you're inside of this section, tap on visit the Help Center. Once you're inside of this section, you can see all of the options that you can look into depending upon the type of dispute that you have, but firstly make sure that you have initiated the refund. Tap on the search bar on the top, search for request refund, and you can see the first article which says request a partial or full refund from your home host. You can tap on this option and it says right here you can head over to the resolution center. Now this is the exact center inside of the resolutions which you can request money from your host. You can simply tap on this option, select the property or the listing that you've stayed in previously, and then you can initiate the request refund. So using this exact process inside of Airbnb, you can request a refund and solve your dispute using the Help Center. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.